Male alligators are bellowing, low-frequency sounds, inaudible to human hearing. It tells other alligators how big and strong they are, and can be heard over a kilometer away. The sound wards off competitors, and, hopefully, attracts a mate. Females can be quick to respond, but they're not always quick to pick a partner. They lead males on a merry dance before finally deciding he's the one. The wooing can last for days, with couples mating multiple times before going their separate ways. The males might partner again, but females now turn their attention to building a nest. In just a month's time, it needs to be ready for their eggs. Alligators are so successful here, they've dominated this landscape for millennia. But now their freshwater habitat is under serious threat.